Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Miro. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Miro works. Miro is a powerful online collaboration platform that enables teams to work together in real time, no matter where they are located. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of Miro, including how to create a board and use the various tools available. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Miro tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account, and if you already have an account, just skip this step. And here we are in my Miro account. I created this account for the purpose of explanation so you can follow the steps with ease. First I'll show you what you can actually find in Miro, and then I will show you how we can use Miro. The Miro dashboard serves as the primary page for navigating between your teams, projects, and boards. Additionally, here you can sort and organize your boards in a way that suits your needs. Miro allows you to work with multiple teams, each with its own set of boards and members. If you are a member or have been invited to some of the boards in a team, you will see the team icon on the left sidebar of your dashboard. You can easily switch between your teams by clicking on the square icon on the left side panel. If you want to create a new team in Miro, you can do so by clicking on the plus button at the top left corner of the sidebar. After clicking on the plus symbol, a pop-up window will appear where you can enter your team's name and click on Continue to create the team. However, if you're using a free plan, it's important to note that you won't be able to create more than one team. In the Recent Board section appears in the top left corner of your dashboard. You can see all the boards from any team that you have recently opened. When you star a board, it appears in the Starred Boards section on your dashboard, making it easy to find and access whenever you need it. Under the Boards in this Team section, you can view the number of boards you've created in a specific team. You can also see recommended templates for that team, which can help you get started quickly on new projects. Here you can also create a new board. To create a new board, simply click on the plus button on the left side of the dashboard, then click on Create Team Board. However, if you are using a free membership, you can only create 3 team boards, and if you want to create private boards, you need to upgrade. Miroverse allows you to explore a vast community templates gallery. From here, you can browse a variety of templates created by other Miro users, including flowcharts, diagrams, wireframes, and more. These templates can be a great starting point for new projects and can help you save time and effort. Projects allow you to organize your boards more effectively. By creating a project, you can group related boards together and share them with others easily. This can be particularly useful for teams that are working on multiple projects simultaneously. However, this feature is only available for premium users. If you want to use this feature, you will need to upgrade your membership to a premium plan. Upload from backup allows users to download a backup of their board, save the board in multiple formats, and restore content when needed. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to access and restore previous versions of your work. This can be especially helpful in situations where data may have been accidentally deleted or lost. However, this feature is only accessible to premium users. Creating a new board in Miro is a simple and easy process. To begin, simply click on the plus New Board on the dashboard and select Create Team Board. A new window will appear, displaying various templates that can be used as a starting point for your board. You can browse through the different types of templates to find the one that best suits your needs. If you decide to use a template, hover over it and click on Use. If you prefer to start from scratch, you can exit the template window and begin creating your board. Once you have made your choice, you will be taken to your new board where you can start adding content. Once you have created your board in Miro, you'll see toolbars on the top, left, and bottom right. The blank area is your board interface. All the changes that you make on the board are saved in real time. There are different tools available to assist you in working on your project. These tools include Select, Templates, Text, Sticky Note, Diagramming Shapes, Connect Line, Pen, Comment, Frame, Upload, More Apps, Undo and Redo options, and the Open Sidebar button. The Select tool is fundamental in Miro and is used to select and move objects on the board. With it, you can select individual or multiple objects, resize them, move them around, and group them together. The Templates section helps you to use a variety of templates in your board. To use a template, simply click on the desired template and select it to be added to your board. You can use more than one template in your board. The Text tool in Miro board is used to add text to your boards. With the Text tool, you can add headings, paragraphs, and bullet points to your boards. You can also change the font style, size, and color of the text to customize the look of your board. The Text tool also allows you to format the text, such as bold, italic, or underline, to emphasize important points or ideas. Sticky notes allow you to create and organize ideas, tasks, and information on a board. They are virtual versions of physical sticky notes and come in different colors and sizes. You can add text, images, and links to a sticky note and move them around the board to create clusters or groupings. Diagramming shapes in Miro board is a set of pre-designed shapes that can be used to create diagrams, flowcharts, and other visual representations of ideas and processes. These shapes are customizable, meaning that you can change their size, color, and other properties to fit your needs. The Diagramming Shapes library includes a variety of shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, arrows, and more. The Connection Line tool in Miro board is used to connect objects and shapes with lines. It is a useful tool when creating diagrams, flowcharts, or other visual representations of ideas and processes. The connection lines can be customized in terms of color, thickness, and style, and can be used to show relationships between different objects on the board. The Pen tool in Miro board allows users to freehand draw lines and shapes in various colors and sizes. This tool is useful for sketching out ideas or creating diagrams and flowcharts in real-time collaboration sessions. Additionally, the Pen tool has a highlighter mode that allows users to emphasize important parts of a diagram or drawing. The Comment tool in the Miro board allows users to add comments to specific objects or areas within a board. Comments can be used to provide feedback, ask questions, or start discussions related to the content of the board. In Miro board, a frame is a container that allows you to group multiple objects, such as sticky notes, shapes, images, and other content within a defined boundary. A frame can be resized, moved, and styled according to your preferences. Frames are particularly useful for organizing and presenting information in a clear and structured manner. You can add a frame to your board by selecting it from the toolbar, and then dragging it and dropping it onto the board. The Upload tool in Miro board allows users to upload images, documents, videos, and other files to a board from their computer or cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. More Apps in Miro board is a feature that allows you to add more apps to your Miro account. You can use apps such as Icon Finder, Stickies Capture, Charts, stickers and emojis, and more. Undo and redo buttons are available under the Creation toolbar. You can undo and redo up to 30 actions in Miro during the current session. If you refresh the page or reopen your board, undo and redo commands will be unavailable. And the Open Sidebar button is used to open or close the sidebar. Frames, comments, and board history are available on the board sidebar. The board menu is available on the top left corner of the board. On the board menu, you can see Miro button to go back to the dashboard, Untitled to edit board settings. By clicking Untitled, you can add a title, description, and a thumbnail. Also, from here you can share, duplicate, and delete the board. The next option is the board settings. Next, the export options. From here you can export as image, PDF, CSV, etc. Then, the search icon to search content. Next, we have the Collaboration toolbar. From the Collaboration toolbar, you can access voting, timer, video chat, presentation mode, and other collaborative tools. Next, we have the Communication toolbar. The toolbar includes tools for interacting with collaborators on the board. You have the option to enable and disable collaborators' cursors and use reactions. In Miro, you can share your boards with collaborators anywhere. There are several ways to invite users to your boards. From within the board, click Share in the top right corner. You can share Miro boards via Slack, email, private link, publicly, with the whole team and company. Note that the tools are available for board owner, co-owners, and editors, and are locked for viewers and commenters. Commenters can only leave comments while viewers cannot make any changes to the board. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Miro. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks.